So as we're predicting products, we really want to pay attention to which parts of the atoms are positive, what we're changing, what we're not changing. So these two are the positive parts, and we're going to just leave those in place. So Al and Na, we're leaving those in place. What we're switching is we're switching these two. So the S is going to go here, and the F is going to go here. And remember, when you're doing the switching, you don't bring subscripts unless it's part of a group, like a polyatomic ion that already works. So you'll see that in the next case. I'm going to go ahead and do the next one. So, oops. So again, we're going to leave these guys in place. And then we're switching here. Now you'll notice there's nothing to switch with this one. So that just means that the NO3 is just completely moving over to the Ag. So that one's coming over as a NO3. Now I bring this whole NO3 because that's the group. That's a nitrate group. That's a polyatomic ion. So I bring the whole thing. I don't bring the little 2. That little 2 there, that little 3. Those are all there for charge balance, which we're going to do in just a second. And then over here, again, I'm leaving this in place. So I have a K and a Ca. And then I'm just flipping where these two are. The SO4 is a sulfate group, so I bring the whole thing over, put him in the one spot, and I put the S in the other spot. Now I'm going to check for charge balance. This is +3, this is -2. This has to do with where they are on the periodic chart with their charges. So that's Al2S3. And then Na is +1 and F is -1. And then the calcium is just by itself. And in this complex, you would have to be told that silver almost always is silver 1. So you would have to know that it makes a silver, 1 complex. Because remember, that's a transition metal, and they need the Roman numerals. So yeah. But if that's always +1 and that's a -1, we're all good on that one. And then this is +1. The SO4 group on your polyatomic ion chart is going to say that it's a -2, so that becomes that. And then this is +2 and this is -2, so that's balanced.